Do you like going to Walmart, Zelda? Do you wanna go to Walmart? Is it your favorite place now? Hi! Hi everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Wednesday! So pupunta kami ngayon sa Walmart. Wednesday na ang aming grocery shopping day for now. Kasi si Mr. babalik na siya pala sa work this coming Sunday. Love, is it confirmed that you're gonna be going back to work this coming Sunday? Sunday pala.
Like 95%.
95%. Kino-confirm, inaano niya pa, ina-adjust pa kasi parang hindi niya natapos yung FMLA pero gusto na niyang bumalik this coming Sunday. So kailangan niyang kausapin yung parang unong ang tawag doon, yung taga-asikaso ng kanilang mga leave. Pero nakausap na niya yung kanyang manager and ayusin din daw. Tutulungan siya ayusin. Ayun, tapos si Zelda gustong-gusto na niyang makipag-usap. Kasi magti 3 months old na nga siya. So, kuha muna kami ng magagas muna kami. Dito na tayo sa Walmart, guys. Gisingin ko na si baby Zelda kasi tulog pa. Sira. Toys. Is this your happy place? Hi, I don't like that. It's gonna be messy. Sweater weather na ngayon, guys. Malamig na. Zelda. Hi, everyone. Gising si Zelda. 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 Nag-start na kaming bumili nito. Yung protein for fall, for fall, whatever. Kung paano man siya i-pronounce. Protein pasta. Zelda. Lagay ko dito si Zelda sa kanya. Kasi. Oopsie. One. Hi everyone. Mama woke me up. Mama is so annoying. I'm taking forever to cook. Yay! All done. So we are back home, guys, and let's do a quick grocery shopping haul from Walmart. First is this white corn tortillas. Para kay Mr. Yan dahil nga pabalik na siya sa work. White forks, olives, loaf bread, ito yung protein bread, mustard, and then white vinegar, and apple juice. So, nakadalawang camera ako, no? Ito para sa YouTube, para sa Facebook. Shouldn't have bought milk, love. There's a lot of milk. Olives. Yung isa pala ay pickles. Mozzarella sticks. Chicken nuggets. Grapes. No, what are we gonna do with this? We still have a lot of grapes. What are we gonna do with this?
I'm gonna throw one.
Green beans, broccoli, Sensodyne, ano to, gentle whitening, and then ice cream. Banana. Milk, 3 boxes of full milk. Green bell pepper, and then celery sticks. What is this, love? Chicken breast? Cucumber, then chicken breast. And then pasta, 3 boxes. Ito yung protein spaghetti. 6 hard-boiled eggs. And then Cliff chocolate brownie. Peanut butter, barbecue sauce. And then, syempre, hindi mawawala ang book ni Zayra. This Little Pumpkin. Zayra, here's your new book. And then watermelon. Okay. Parchment paper, aluminum foil. Is this for your work, love? There are 2 aluminum foils. Dark chocolate, and then isa pang aluminum foil. Toothbrush holder and spray bottle. Wet wipes, paper plates. Why do we have 2 dark chocolates? Dishwasher packs. Isa pang dark chocolates. And then red pen and beef jerky.
Tell them why I need a red pen.
No, why?
Because I'm a highly successful novelist.
Where's the receipt? So, yun ang aming pinamili for the week. And yung total amount niya is $263.09. Yan. Last week, hindi ako nakapag-grocery shopping haul. Medyo malaki yung napamili namin last week. How much did we spend last week? $400?
Right, because we have to buy formula and diaper.
Is it like 450?
$450.
Yeah, $410. Mahal talaga pagka may baby at newborn. Kasi nga si Zelda, most of the time formula milk siya kasi konti yung nakukuha niya sa akin na gatas. So yun lang guys, malapit na nga itong bumalik si Mr. sa trabaho kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina. Most probably this coming Sunday, and syempre nakakalungkot yun, and alam ko may hirapan ako for a couple of days, pwedeng couple of weeks, pero ganun talaga, kailangang bumalik nyo sa trabaho kung hindi. Patay tayo dyan. And ano pala, sa ating mga subscribers dito sa YouTube, kung hindi pa po kayo naka-follow sa aming Facebook page, same social media handle, Life with the Rose Fam, mas updated doon yung aking mga uploads. Everyday nag-upload ako doon ng mga reels at saka mini vlogs. Dito kasi sa YouTube, every 3 days ako nag-upload ng long form content. Tapos nag-ano din ako, live streaming. Both. Pinagsasabay ko siya. Sa ngayon, ang oras is para mga between 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Pero pwedeng maiba yun. So, ayun, join po kayo kung kayo ay may free time. So, maraming salamat po ulit sa pag-suporta sa aming YouTube channel. And if you are new here, please do consider subscribing. And if you are watching, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much again for your support, and see you again next time. Bye!